Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 400W solar panel is probably one of the most sought-after solar panel options in the market today, offering a compelling blend of high power output and efficiency, making them ideal for maximizing energy generation in both residential and commercial settings. This comprehensive review will delve into the key features, performance metrics, and overall value proposition of this particular model, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your renewable energy needs. Number 5. ALLPOWERS SP037-400W Solar Panel. It's a powerhouse. This solar panel delivers 400W, significantly reducing charging times for your solar generator. Enjoy the benefits of solar energy faster than ever before. With advanced solar cells, it boasts a 22% conversion rate. This means you'll get more usable energy, even on less sunny days. It's IP67 waterproof and weather-resistant. Its durable design protects it from scratches, dust, and water splashes, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its compact, foldable design makes it incredibly portable. Easily take it with you on any adventure, and its lightweight makes it easy to transport. It comes with all the necessary cables and a user guide, making setup a breeze. You'll be harnessing the power of the sun in no time. What we like. It boasts impressive power output, significantly reducing charging times. Its high efficiency ensures you get the most out of even weak sunlight. If you need a durable and weatherproof solution for powering large generators, this is the one for you. What people say. It was delivering over 300W, it was up to about 298 to 305. The sun could have been better, but this was my only chance to try it out. It has its own panels, but putting up just one, though large, will be easier than hooking up 4 100W and dragging them around the yard to track the sun. Easy to set up and can get very close to 400W charging, which is very good conversation efficiency. Very portable and works great with my EcoFlow Delta 2 and much cheaper than an EcoFlow panel. Number 4. Anker SOLIX PS400 Solar Panel. This is the Anker SOLIX PS400, a powerful and portable solar panel. It's perfect for keeping your devices charged on the go. With 400W of power, it can quickly charge your devices. It's ideal for camping, RVs, and other outdoor adventures. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport and store. You can take it anywhere. The adjustable kickstand allows you to position it optimally for sunlight. This ensures maximum power generation. It's IP67 waterproof, so it can withstand harsh weather conditions. You can use it with confidence, rain or shine. It features smart sunlight alignment for optimal charging efficiency. It will always find the best angle for the sun. It's specifically designed to work with the Anker Powerhouse 767. It's the perfect companion for your power station. Please note this is a renewed product, which means it has been inspected and tested to ensure it meets our high standards. It comes with a warranty. What we like. The adjustable kickstand allows for optimal sunlight capture, maximizing energy generation. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for various outdoor activities. If you prioritize portability and ease of use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The setup for positioning the panel is not as good and 2 of the 3 rivets popped out on the first setup. I have one of my first panels set up next to this third one and the output is not even half of the other. You can see a different pattern on the solar panels. Number 3. EcoFlow 400W Solar Panel. It boasts a powerful 400W input, ensuring your power station receives a substantial energy boost with remarkable efficiency. This means you'll have plenty of power for your devices. Its foldable design and convenient carry case make it effortlessly portable. Weighing just 16 kilograms, it's your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. Built with durable materials and an IP68 waterproof rating, it's designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. You can rely on it, rain or shine. Utilizing monocrystalline cells and high transparency, it generates more energy than standard panels. Experience superior energy conversion rates. When paired with an EcoFlow power station, it leverages an MPPT algorithm for optimal efficiency. Its 22.4% conversion rate is truly impressive. What we like. This panel offers superior performance and efficiency, making the most of available sunlight. Its portability and durable design make it ideal for travel. If you need a reliable and weather-resistant panel for on-the-go power, this is a great option. What people say. They are lightweight and portable and very efficient, rated at around 24%. They also have additional connectivity on the reverse side of the panel. These are well made and integrate well with many applications. The panels themselves seem to be made of nice materials, but we'll see how they hold up over time. In 40-degree February weather with no clouds here in the TN Mountains, I got a total of 285 watts on my partially shaded balcony. Consistently 390 plus watts with frequent peaks up to 405 watts for 92% of the rated output. That could charge my Delta 3 Plus from zero in just under 3 hours, and once charged could run a full-size refrigerator and a couple of other small appliances without decreasing the battery level at all. Number 2. Renogy 400W12V Solar Kit. This kit provides 2 to 2.5 kWh of daily power, thanks to its high-efficiency solar cells. It's backed by a 10-year warranty on the panels and a 3-year warranty on the controller for your peace of mind. It features durable panels with a robust design, able to withstand high winds and snow. The pre-drilled holes and included mounting hardware make installation a breeze. The MPPT charge controller maximizes energy capture, significantly outperforming traditional controllers. A temperature sensor ensures optimal battery charging, preventing damage. Multiple safety features are included, such as fuses and heavy-duty wiring, to protect your system and prevent overheating. This ensures safe and reliable operation. Monitor your solar system's performance in real time using the Bluetooth module and the Renogy app. You can even adjust settings remotely, all from your smartphone. This system supports a maximum battery voltage of 32 V. Please ensure your battery is compatible before use. What we like. It's a complete system, including panels, controller, and mounting hardware, making installation a breeze. The Bluetooth monitoring feature provides real-time data and control. If you want a hassle-free, comprehensive solar solution, this is the way to go. What people say. Renogy's kit takes out all of the guesswork. It had 4 X100W solar panels, the 40A MPPT charge controller and a cabling as well as the Bluetooth module. During the day, on the weekends, I can game, and depending on the game I'm playing, it can stay topped off at 100% battery charge and only drains about 5 amps at most while the sun's out. My PC normally is around 180 watts and on higher end games draws around 480 watts, nearly 20 amps, so at night I make sure to only game about 2 to 3 hours before my 200Ah battery gets near 50%. I got my wife using it now, and she's become energy cognizant, making sure to even remind me to use our solar power system that we set up together. Number 1. Serenelife 400W Solar Starter Kit. Power your adventures with this complete solar kit. It's perfect for RVs, boats, and camping trips, providing clean energy wherever you go. It intelligently manages power flow, preventing overcharging and maximizing battery life. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your devices are protected. With its compact design and 400W capacity, it's easy to transport and provides ample power for your needs. It's lightweight yet durable. These panels generate significant clean energy daily, even in less than ideal conditions. Enjoy reliable power wherever you are. Everything you need is included: panels, controller, mounting hardware, and cables. Get set up quickly and easily. Take it with you on your next adventure. It's ideal for RVs, boats, camping, and more. Enjoy off-grid power anytime, anywhere. What we like. The monocrystalline panels offer high efficiency and power output. The portable design and included mounting hardware make it easy to set up and transport. If you need a reliable and convenient solar kit for various applications, this is a good choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.